Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to manually order videos that are displayed in playlists using either the shortcode or the block editor in Vimeotheque. I already have a few videos imported in several categories, and I'm going to use one of these categories to display a playlist that is ordered manually into a page. This option is available starting with Vimeotheque Lite 2.2.6, so please update if you haven't done that already. And let's begin. I'm going to post a playlist into a page, so I'm going to add a block, video playlist, choose posts. I'm not going to choose individual posts, I'm going to choose a category, and that should be it. And my playlist is loading. My playlist is ordered by manual order. I have the option to order it by the newest, oldest, and alphabetically. We are going to leave it for manual order and update the page. Next, if we want to change the order in which the videos are displayed, we are going to need to install a menu order plugin. So let's do that. I'm going to add a new plugin, and I'm going to search for post type menu order. Let's see what results come up. As you can see, there are several plugins that do this. I have tested this plugin and this plugin, post types order and intuitive custom post order. I found the intuitive custom post order more manageable, but after having a look at the reviews, I noticed that there were people complaining that when a large amount of posts are edited, when you try to order the posts and you have a lot of posts, it takes a lot of resources to do this. So maybe you'll want to look for something else. I am going to use this plugin now. I'm going to install it and activate. The plugin's options can be found under Settings, Intuitive CPO. In here you need to enable it for Vimeo videos. If you want to enable it for other post types, you can do that. I'm going to click Update and then go on the videos page. My goal is to edit to use category music, so I'm going to filter only the posts that are selected under this category, and in here you simply drag and drop the posts. So let's say I want this post to be the first, and this post to be the second, and then this post to be the third, and I'm content by the order now. And this is all saving automatically. If we go to pages now, our playlist is reordered. View the page, and the new order is has been set up. If we edit the page, we can revert to the options to order by newest, oldest, or alphabetically. So everything else is in order. As you can see, the order changed. But the manual order will use the menu order that you set up under videos. Let's see how this works under the classic editor. let's switch to classic editor. I'm going to remove the code added by the block editor and update. And next, go back to visual and let's add the shortcode. We are going to choose the same category, music, right? Add to shortcode. Let's use theme wall. And the same thing, use the manual order. Insert the playlist. And as you can see, the order is set to manual. Let's update. And if we open the page, we are going to see the same order that we have set into the under videos. So if we go here and again change the order and put I don't know, this video, let's put it first. Go to pages, view, and now Canon is the first video into the playlist. So this is it. Let us know what you think. Please remember to update to Vimeotheque 2.2.6 to use this functionality. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you for watching.